Yeah, welcome to Raising Sipho Sethu. Lalelani vlog le. Mina noSipho Sethu sahamba sayiphathini ngaleliya elinye ilanga. Into esayidansa la, into esayidansa kule party le. Lapho ukudla kwakhona kwakumonandi, sadla sabuya izisu zinkulu zingaka. Sahlala kwaze kwahlwa. Hayibo. Ngiyakutshela mina uSipho is in a groove. She is in her groove era ngiyantshela. Anyways,
I am
welcome
going
to my
to,
vlog.
or we are going to a party, not a party. They said it's a birthday lunch. It's my friend's husband's birthday lunch. I went at this week, guys. I don't know how many times I was like, nyaya, ayangi, nyaya, ayangi, ayangi. Even as I'm sitting here, singing Sipho, she's ready. Ubaba wakhe went to the shop uyabuya, then sobe sesingena emotweni sihamba. But even as I'm sitting here, I'm like, ngiyahamba, hayi angiyi.
Sishaye-ke isikhathi sokuthi sihambe siye ephathini. We were driving here. Sisazama nje ukuthi uSipho asihlalele independently in the car. Kodwa we realize ukuthi ama-seat belts, they need to be adjusted ukuthi abe more secured. But we had a peaceful drive. She actually did not want them to help her while she's in the car. So hayi-ke sagrova-ke emotweni sesibhekele eMzinyathi-ke siyephathini-ke manje sesicabanga nenyama-ke lisoyidla laphana emcimbini. Sithe sifika nje wathi uSipho lalela mama ngilambile mina. Ngabaqhweba-ke nami abantu ngathi lethani ukudla, sicela ukudla. Noma ngabe akadliwe uSipho lambile. uSipho-ke uthathiswe kwi-Princess wherever we go. Kwatatazelwa-ke wanikwa amakhekhe ngathi ngisamfunza ikhekhe kwezelinye iplate. Hayibo. Hayi wadla-ke uSipho la silalela umusic ney'pitshi-ke lana phela bekuyi-birthday party. Yabona-ke la sifike sanikwa lama-plate lawa. Sanikwa lama-plate lawa. Sathi sisadla kanjani nangu futhi noncala nawe uyasibuza ukuthi ngilethe ukudla ngithi hayi bunca sesikutholile nje futhi ukudla. Kanti futhi besikade sithumolungu sathi lungi mase kuphakwa lapha nesiphakele ngoba ngesikwazi ukusukuma sinosipho. Hayi-ke kanti nabo bazohamba-ke bayophaka-ke abantu lawa ngisazi noma umfundisi noma ubani lo wayana ubekade ekhuluma lapha phambili. Hayi nanso-ke phela-ke i-cocktail-ke lana-ke nangomngani wami la umoto. Uma ufuna ukwenza iy'nwele-ke nangoSisi wenzani iy'nwele. Wangilethela i-cocktail. uSipho beka-understand-ke la ukuthi yena akayitholi ngani i-cocktail. Ngathi hayi Sipho, you are under 18 ima kancane ubeyifuna la i-cocktail. Kwasho ukuthi cha bandla ngeke azayithola. Hayi impela la ukudla kwekho la kungekho mnandi ukudla yemakhekhe akhona konke nje bese singasafuna ukugoduka kahle kahle. Kwaculwa-ke kwenziwa iy'pitshi kwaninani. Sithe sisathuke lokho hawu naba futhi manje olungi lana besilethele okunye ukudla futhi amanye amaplate okudla. Sathi hayi bo Nkosi yami bese sidlile bathi hayi siwenze njani sina lama-plate senisume wona futhi athi sinabekani la abantu bazothatha badle yabo. Hayi-ke la bese siyidlalele nje sijilele noSipho uqala wadlala leli khekhe and then after that wadla ukudla and then-ke nje sabasephathini bafethu kwaba mnandi. After ikhathele ukuhlala esihlalweni sahamba sayohlala endlini salalela umusic. And imephi yakhe didn't need to be changed. Listen, ugelo be-focused on iphathi. So iy'ndaba zokuthi aloku echama aloku enza number 2 beyingekho ube-focused on iphathi. Yo, we had fun guys, sibe ne-fun-ish. So thank you so much for joining i-vlog yethu. Goodbye.